Are you feeling limited by the official Amazon App Store on your Fire TV stick? Installing third-party apps can give you access to more content, streaming services, and useful features. Streaming services and useful features. In this video, I will show you how to safely sideload apps on your Amazon Fire TV stick, step by step. Welcome back to TechVibes. Sideloading simply means installing apps that do not appear on the official store. You are not hacking your device. You are just giving your Fire Stick the freedom to use its full potential. Before we can download anything, we need to unlock a hidden developer menu. Go to your settings, then select My Fire TV. Click on the About section, highlight the main Fire TV option, and click on it exactly 7 times. You will see a message saying you are now a developer. Press the back button on your remote control to return to the previous menu. You will see a new option called Developer Options. Select it and turn on ADB debugging. This crucial step allows your device to install third-party applications. Now go back to the home screen and navigate to the search bar. Type in Downloader to search the App Store. Look for the official orange icon from AFTV News and install it directly to your device. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. We are going to use Downloader to set up Aptoide TV. This is a brilliant third-party app store designed specifically for television devices. It gives you quick access to thousands of apps that are not available on Amazon. Open the Downloader app and click on the main URL bar. Type in the address tv.aptoide.com/tv. Make sure to type it exactly like that so you get the correct television version. Click Go to start the process. Scroll down the web page, select Download Aptoide TV and hit Install. Once Aptoide TV is installed, open it and grant the necessary permissions. Now you can browse through various streaming categories and install any app you want with a single click. Here is a crucial tip to save space on your device. Every time you finish installing an app, make sure to delete the leftover installer APK file inside Downloader. You do not need the installation file anymore, and deleting it keeps your storage clean. To ensure all your new third-party apps run smoothly and securely without any network blocks or ISP throttling, make sure to use NordVPN. I highly recommend turning it on every single time you stream content. You can find the NordVPN installation link mentioned in the description and comments below. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more fast and easy tech guides. See you in the next one.